Hello, I am Snehal Pagare and today I will present our project on solid and hazardous waste management in India using policy driven dashboard. Our aim was to analyze waste dataset, visualize trends and evaluate the efficiency of waste management policies. The objective of this project is to analyze solid and hazardous waste datasets in India, design a monitoring dashboard, and evaluate the efficiency of waste management policies. The dashboard visualizes waste generation, collection, treatment, and landfilling trends, providing actionable insights for decision makers to prove waste management and sustainability. Then our database Our dataset contains 7 key columns: MWS, planned municipal solid waste, total waste generation, collection rate, treatment rate, total waste collection, total treatment collection, total waste treatment, and states. This allows us to measure performance between in absolute term and efficiency percentage. Then the dashboard, our overall dashboard, the dashboard is basically divided into three sections. The top row has 4 KPI cards that show total waste KPI, average collection rate, average treatment rate, and landfill waste. Then the middle and bottom section has contained five charts. The first chart is state wise waste generation, second one is collection efficiency, third one is treatment or processing rate, fourth one is landfill waste, and the fifth one is waste trade, planned or actual. Okay. Which allow us, and the and or at the last it has policies and individual references. First one is total waste, state-wise waste generation. The chart shows the actual waste uh, generated in each states are on the vertical edges, and the total waste in MMT is on the horizontal edges. We use blue bar chart for clarity. States with the high waste generations are easily identified, helps prioritize resource allocation and infrastructure planning. For example, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh generate high volume of waste and may require more collection and treatment facilities. Then the second chart is collection efficiency. This chart measure the percentage of waste collection from the total generated. Collection condition colored help us to quick identify performance. If the color is dark, then the percentage higher. If the color shade is low, then the percent in small is in low percentage. The states with low collection rate, even if the generate less, even if they generate less waste, then it needs even then it needs more attention even it needs attention to improve municipal operations. Conditional color allow instant visual identification of in performance underperformance state. This matrix directly affects downstream treatment and landfilling efficiency. The third chart is treatment and process rate. Okay. This chart shows the percent of collected waste that is treated. Again, we use traffic light colors in to identify the performance. Some states may collect waste efficiently but fail to progress it equivalently. Low treatment rate identified a need for more treatment plants or better waste process policies. This chart highlights the gap between collections and processing which is critical for sustainability. Then our fourth chart is landfill waste. Landfill waste is the calculated as total waste generation minus total treatment generation. This shows how much collection waste is not being treated and is sent directly to the landfills. The state with high landfill indicate in treatments, inefficiency in treatments infrastructure. This also point to potential environment hazards due to untreated waste. The KPI card for landfill waste gives a quick national view of untreated portion. As you can see in the chart, then the then our okay. Now, what is KPI cards? The KPI cards provide a snapshot of national level performance, total waste, average collection rate, average treatment rate, a landfill waste. They allow decision makers to quickly access overall efficiency and identify critical area of intervention. Then our last chart, waste traits planned versus action. In this chart, there is comparison between MSW, municipal solid waste, and total waste generation. uh, there are states which have largest and lowest number, as you can see in the chart. Okay, then policy and initiative references. The following are the policies. This follow. Okay. Solid Waste Management Rules 2016. Guideline for segregation, collection, treatment, disposable of municipal solid waste. Then Plastic Waste Management Rule. Handling and recycling of plastic waste. Then hazardous and other waste rules. Proper disposable of hazardous waste. Then Swachh Bharat Mission, national incentive initiative of improve cleanliness and waste management. Then the observations from our dashboard. Some states generate uh, high waste but have low collection and treatment efficiency. Then conditional colors make it easy to identify states need immediate attention. Then planned versus actual traits show which states are under or over performance. Then KPI cards summarize overall national performance at a glance. The dashboard in this dashboard. Then the conclusion, the dashboard provides a comprehensive view of solid and hazardous waste management in India. It identifies the performance gap, connects overall over connects outcome to policies and serve as a tool for planner to allocate resource efficiency, monitor process, and achieve sustainable waste management objectives. Thank you.